Hello friends, here on this video how you can increase camera quality or resolution on your mobile phone. You want to capture in good or you want to record in good quality and capture good quality photos. Okay, so friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on setting, camera. Okay, because we are talking about the camera, so you have to move on camera. Okay, after that, from here tap, if you want to know about the photos, then first of all you have to select the photos. When you select the photos, you want good quality. Whenever you are capturing the photos, you want in good quality, so just tap on photo, then here move on setting. Then from here, even you can select the aspect ratio. Through aspect ratio, what it happens is that friends, I select the 4:3. Okay, recommended, I select the 4:3. Then here, from here to here is the 4:3 ratio. And friends, if you select this one, then here recommended ratio will be from here to here. And if you select the full ratio, it will be in full screen from here to here. So from there also you can even capture good photo. Here's the smart capture. Okay, if you don't want to know about the smart capture, then it's okay. Here's the resolution for the photos: 4K 1080p recommended, and 720p. Okay friends, so about the photos, here is many options. Okay, if you want to know, and especially this is smart capture, you should know this one. Whenever people will smile, and this will automatically capture the photos. Okay, example, front or back side, it will capture automatically. You just need to activate this icon, and this is the gestures control. It will only activate in front camera only. You have to show your palm like this, and this will capture your photos by showing your palm. Okay, now let's move on video. If you want to know about the video, then just tap on video and move on setting. Okay, when you move on video, also the same thing, aspect ratio, you can select the aspect ratio 4:3, 1:1, or full screen. Even the smart capture for the video also there is, but resolution you can select from here. You can record the 4K, or this is the frame, not resolution. Resolution is here 4K 1080p, same thing only. It says beautification effects are not supported at 4K or 60 fps. Filters are not supported at 4K or 60 fps. You may using filter or AI and the beauty, but it will not support at 60 fps and at 4K. Okay, 4K videos it will not support. So if you want more quality, then you can remove from the 4K videos and you can record best quality if you want to record. But if you want beautification, then you can remove this 4K, and if you want another without beautification, then you just activate 4K, then record the video. It will be amazing. Okay friends, so friends, hope you understand the video how to increase the quality or resolution on your camera on your phone. So friends, before, and if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.